Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you. And then let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the software update section. So fortunately we do not have to enter any other sections to find it. So here all we have to do is to tap on download and install, and your device will connect to the server and will check for the updates. That's why we needed the internet connection. And basically here we've got two different scenarios which we can meet. This is the first one where you receive the information that your software is up to date. So everything is okay, you do not have to download anything. And the second scenario is when your device will inform you that there is actually the update to download. It will show you the information about the update, of course, the name of it, what has been fixed, what has been added, etc. And all you have to do is to simply tap on download or install, and your device will update the software. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.